All right, I'm not gonna lie, this one's gonna be really difficult for me. Can I name all 54 countries in Africa? Well, let's find out. All right, well, I'm gonna start with the top here. Let's go with Libya. And then, Tunisia's above that. We have Egypt over there. But I'm not sure what's to the left. I should know that. Morocco. Let's see, we have Sudan. I'll come back to it. We have South Sudan, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Somalia? Yes. Djibouti. Okay, and then Kenya. And here's where I pretty much get lost. But let's see how many I can just name. Oh, wait, is that Mali? No. We have Nigeria, Chad, Madagascar. Let's see how many I can name without, any review from thousands of years ago. Ghana, is it? Central African Republic. Let's see. There's something about Republic of the Congo, maybe? Yes. And Equatorial Guinea. And I think that's what I'm going to have to give up on. 23 countries. Algeria, of course, Cabo Verde. Mauritania. Tanzania. Okay, let's try again. All right, so let's start with Algeria this time. Morocco, Tunisia, Sudan, South Sudan. Above that, we have Egypt, Libya. Oh, wait, Liberia. I never named that. I know it's over here somewhere. Equatorial Guinea, Burkina Faso. Oh, boy. Wait, Chad is here. Nigeria. What is this one? I need to study this a little bit more. Oh my gosh. Togo, Ghana, and Cote d'Ivoire. I'm guessing they speak French there. Sao Tome and Principe. Oh boy. Ghana, Togo, Benin. Awesome. Mali. It's not. Oh. Okay, so then it's Nigeria, Burkina Faso's above. Cote d'Ivoire. And then Liberia, Sierra Leone. Okay, let me try this. So Benin, Togo, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire. Awesome. Ghana, Togo, Benin. Senegal's over there somewhere. Senegal. Liberia. Oh, Burkina Faso. And that's all I remember for this area. I'm missing Guinea, Sierra Leone, the Gambia, Guinea-Bissau. Okay. I've never heard of these countries. Senegal, the Gambia, Ghana, Togo, Benin, Mauritania. Good. Liberia's there. Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, or whatever. Sierra Leone. And then Gambia? No. Ghana. Namibia, which is way off. Cabo Verde, that's right. What's this one? Give up. Oh, Guinea-Bissau and Guinea. Sierra Leone. And then above it is Gambia. No, it's not. Ghana, sorry. Oh my gosh. Guinea. Guinea-Bissau. Senegal. At least I'm getting the countries, even though the location it's not sticking. Liberia, Cote d'Ivoire, Mali's there. Mauritania. Oh, I can't believe I spelled that right. Algeria, Morocco. Hey, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Chad, Sudan, South Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Kenya, Somalia, Namibia, Equatorial Guinea. Oh, there it is. Okay. And I'm sure there's a few yeah. Madagascar, Seychelles, Mauritius. What is that one? Mauritius. Cameroon, Sao Tome and Principe. Okay. Mauritania, Mauritius, Gabon is there, right? Equatorial Guinea, Sao Tome and Principe. Here is Cameroon, right? This is Nigeria. And this is Benin. We have Togo. This is... I've been getting this one right all the time. Well, here's Burkina Faso. Here's Cote d'Ivoire. At least I'm getting the other ones, right? We have Mali, Senegal, the Gambia there. And this is... Well, we have Guinea-Bissau. Oh, Liberia's here. And then Sierra... So I got Sierra Leone this time, but not this one, which is weird. Can I name any of these? Oh, Democratic Republic of the Congo. Oh, it's that one. I don't know what this one is then. Oh, Ghana, of course. Okay, Angola. What's this? Republic of the Congo and Democratic Republic of the Congo. Are you kidding me? Those are two different countries. Wow. I saw one in there. Comoros, which I didn't know about. Seychelles. Madagascar. What's that? Oh, wait. Mauritius. Mauritania. Cameroon is over there. Gabon is below it, yes. Equatorial Guinea. Central African Republic. That's one I couldn't get. These are the two Congos. I'm going to skip those for now because just don't want to type them out. What are other ones? Let's take a look here. Zambia, Malawi, Tanzania, Lesotho, okay. Eswatini, Mozambique, South Africa, Lesotho, yes. Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Comoros is the island, Mauritius, Madagascar, Seychelles. Oh, this starts with an M, I believe. We have Angola here. This is... Oh, no. Oh, Malawi's here. This is the M1. And Tanzania. Malawi, Tanzania. Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda, Mozambique, Botswana is there, Zimbabwe. And this one is Namibia. Zambia. Yes. Angola, South Africa, Lesotho, Eswatini, excellent. Comoros, Seychelles. I still don't know what... Malawi, that's in there. Wait. Yes! Oh, that's that one there. What's that big one? Tanzania. All right, I think if I can get these, we're pretty close. Malawi, Tanzania, Burundi. Where is that actually? Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda, Mozambique is there. And I already forgot. Oh, wait, Tanzania. I got this one this time. Botswana. Namibia, Zambia, Lesotho, Eswatini. I won't forget you. Zimbabwe, Malawi's there. Oh, we're doing really well. Comoros, Madagascar, Seychelles, Mauritius, Mauritania is over there. South Africa, of course. Angola, Democratic Republic of the Congo, of the Congo. This is Gabon. Wait, no. This one's Gabon, right? Yes. Equatorial Guinea, Sao Tome and Principe. Let's go up here. Oh my gosh, Kenya, right? Ethiopia, Somalia, Djibouti, Eritrea. Ooh, Sudan, South Sudan, Egypt. We're doing really well. Central African Republic. Come on. Yes, Chad. No, that's not Libya. Wait, that is Libya. Algeria, Tunisia, Morocco. Oh my gosh, we're doing really well. Too well, that's the problem. Nigeria, Cameroon, Benin, Togo, wow, Leone is over there. We have Senegal, the Gambia, Mali, Burkina Faso. Oh, come on, Cote. I don't remember that one, but I know this one. Okay, what's always this one? I don't know why I'm forgetting that one. Liberia, Guinea. PSS Bissau. I have two more, though. Oh, Cabo Verde. Oh, come on. What is this? I can't believe this is the last one, and I can't get it. Burkina Faso. Wait. It's two words. It's coming back to me, I believe. No, I don't know it. Oh my gosh, I have to give up after all this. I don't know it. Ghana, you got me. Mauritania? No. Mauritania. Senegal, the Gambia, Guinea, and then Guinea-Bissau, and then that is Sierra. I'm getting better now. Leone, Liberia, Viore. Oh, I spelled that one wrong. Ghana. No, that's Ghana. Yeah. Togo, Benin, Burkina Faso, and Mali. Perfect. This one here is Nigeria. Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon. Angola's below there. These are the Congo ones. This is Namibia, Zambia. Rwanda is in the middle there, right? Yes, and then Uganda's above it, and then Malawi? No. Malawi's not there, but it's Burundi. Yes, and this one is Tanzania, Mozambique. Let's do the South African ones here. Eswatini, Botswana, Zimbabwe, South Africa, of course, Seychelles, Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, there we go, Somalia, Kenya, Ethiopia, Djibouti, Eritrea, Sudan, South Sudan, Egypt, Libya. Oh, it's getting close. Algeria, Tunisia, Morocco, Chad. Central African Republic. What, I have 4 left? Cabo Verde. What's missing? Republic of the Congo. Democratic Republic of the Congo. Sao Tome and Principe. Hey, we did it. Okay, that took a little bit longer than I thought, but hey, at least we got it down. So hopefully I'll see you in the next one. At least we were able to finally successfully name all 54 countries in Africa.